Bacolor Elementary School, Adapdap, Bacolor North District. Stainless sign for MBS with school ID 159502. So again, shout out, maraming salamat kay Sir Arwin Silao for recommending me to the other principal. So today, ano ngayon? March 5, 2024. Ready for delivery. Again, subscribe po sa YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe na po. Salamat.